Welcome to RC, folks. Andrew is preparing on our first MC6 and MC8 run out to go up this legendary hill. You'll notice my MC6 parked up over there. It's not going up there because we've already tried it up a small hill and the standard tyres just clog. So, you frightened, Andrew?
No, I have very high confidence in this machine.
Well,
the battery box won't close, obviously.
Well, Andrew, what was the deal? I buy you 2 takeaways.
That was it.
If he makes this, I buy him. Here we go, folks. Now you might be able to see how steep it is from standing here. I don't even think I'm going to be able to get up here. I'm sure Andrew will be able to. I'm sure you'll be going up the hill, won't you, with it?
We'll be going some distance with it, yeah.
Just in case.
The drag brake doesn't seem to go to reverse though. The idea is to try and do this without undue wheel spinning and general.
And no assistance is allowed. Has to be fully on its own.
Am I allowed to steer or change gear? Is that allowed?
Yeah, you can steer and change gear, but you can't assist it. Oh, by the way, he owes me 2 takeaways if he doesn't make this. The TRX and the SCX just about make this with some struggle, so I'm not confident.
No, I don't. I owe you takeaways if I don't do it.
Yeah.
Don't attempt it.
No, if you don't get up the top of the hill. Okay, folks, I've moved. I didn't want to climb up the hill whilst filming, so he's still going.
It's better this time.
Damn helicopter. She's going. Slowly but surely. Go on, girl. I don't know why I'm willing you on. It's going to cost me a load of money. You can just see how steep this last bit is.
Well, it's more than I can. It's pretty low.
Also, there's a lip just kind of here, and that's really tricky. She's going. She's gonna make it. She made it.
Get your money out.
Yeah. Well done, Andrew.
Woohoo! Neither I or the truck have so far fallen back down the hill.
Just have a look. Just yeah, the camera doesn't do it justice. I'm on using the gimbal, and it's.
Well, if I'm not careful, because there's no drag brake in reverse, it seems, and the truck will demonstrate how steep this is.
Yeah.
Cartwheeling down it.
Well, this would be funny.
No, it's not going down. I told you before, it's not going down the hill. I'd freak out going down. No, I'm going.
No, well, I was actually going to say filming you climb up.
Oh, well, there is that. That will be fun as well.
It could be the RC fail compilation for the end of 2018. The video's coming out tomorrow. Here we go. Look at this. See an old man climb a hill.
I thought then kick you in the teeth in a minute. Oh, well, I won't, but you know what I mean. Look at this. It's so steep it is, it's no joke. And I can't see it. Oh, there it is, that's fine, I'm going to go.
Well done. If you fall down, you'll take me out, you know. Consider your friend. I bet the old the driver. Oh.
Don't mind the driver, it's my ring piece flapping there.
It's flapping or it's twitching like a rabbit's nose. Sorry for the unconventional video, folks. Normally they're a bit more professional than this, but you know.
I shan't tell you, I can't. He's fine, the drag brake's fine like this, but if I touch it, it just kind of goes straight into freewheeling mode.
So you're not touching it at all?
No, I'm hands off, mate. I'm hands off with this thing. Yeah, let's do it itself.
There's a northerner, a big northerner coming down the hill at me. I'm a bit frightened.
I've got a like an incline thing on my phone. Can you see what it says?
Well, the gimbal's gone all funny because of the hill.
Probably. Taking it out.
Yeah. Look at that. That's what you call multitasking. He's playing with his phone and his truck's driving himself. Fantastic. Good job.
Yeah, I thought I did. Can't remember what it was.
Hey! There he goes. There's lots of laughing on this channel. We have such a good time.
Yeah, I'm filming you coming down, Peter. Come on, baby. Come to daddy. What a superstar.
Yeah, fair play. I'll film myself coming down. Right. I am not holding on to anything. My immensely strong legs that hold me up here. God, this isn't pleasant. I'm coming down now so he can't film me, you see. Tactics, tactics. And we're safe. There she goes.